message to all of you who don't believe. Alright? Haha! They gon' try and bring you down. Hating what they do, but you gotta keep a smile. Stay up on your move, live free, live free, live free.
Alright, here we go. I'm feeling... Alright, there she is. No one's in line. This is it. No, this is it. Don't put it down yet. Alright, it was 15. That works. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is great. I just like, we're gonna put this on Facebook. I hope you know that.
We're not.
Yeah, we are. God. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. And...
You're making me freak out. Alright, well this is awkward, and I'm buying you candy.
yeah, we kind of have to buy it because we kind of like vandalized it a little bit. Okay, good.
You didn't know to buy it. You're shaking. How much is it? Happy Easter. Keep the change.
Oh my god.
Hey, why'd you make me do that?
Yes, I am.
I made her come with me because I was too scared.
I thought you wanted.
I know. I like looked to see where you were. I just ate.
You should put the sticker on it.
I don't have stickers. I don't know what
You're like the worst cashier ever. I always want stickers. Alright, well Megan's done. We're her last
You're
person.
making me nervous.
Okay. Alright, here we go. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, see you later, Megan.
Happy Easter. Okay.
Happy Easter.
Bring you down, hating what they do, but you gotta keep a smile. Stay up on your move, live free, 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 live free. They gon' try and tell you no, shatter all your dreams, but you gotta get up.